Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Mio Alif Haikal bin Muhammad Nur Asrat from class IC220 3D. For today, our group members will present to all of you for subject Islamic Entrepreneurship ISC500 Business Proposal Forez Cafe-Laundry. Beside yourself with clean clothes and coffee. Before we start our presentation for today, I would like to introduce my group members. First of all, is myself, Mio Alif Haikal bin Muhammad Nur Asrat. Second is Afiz Zakwan bin Mak Osman, Ahmad Iskandar bin Syarul Riza, Muhammad Aidi Akmal bin Muhammad Zamri and last but not least, Rizqullah Syauqi bin Azmi. We are going to begin with business profile. Number 1, the name of our company is Forez Cafe-Laundry. Our cafe laundry is located on number 5 and 7, ground floor, Jalan Perniagaan Sungai Sudah, Sungai Balang, 83,600 Muar, Johor Darul Takzim. Operation hours for laundry is going to be 24 hours per day. Meanwhile, the operation hours for our cafe is from 9 am until 10 pm. And the date of business commencement is from 17 October 2021.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Aidi Akmal bin Muhammad Zamri. Now, I want to present about introduction of the company. Nowadays, after the announcement of the cross-state promotion from our Prime Minister, we can see that our society began to proactive in travelling in this country and even come back to their village in purpose to visit their parent at the village. So, what we can see is the laundry service became one of the essential service for the society that really need this service when they are travelling either for a short vacation or long vacation. To make it more exciting, Forez Cafe-Laundry also will provide to our customer cafe facility whereby our customer can have some meal and cafe while they are waiting for their clothes washed and dry. The next slide, I want to explain about our company background. The first one is our vision. Our vision is to be a company that provide the best cafe and laundry service as well as expanding branch nationwide. Next, our mission is to be the most progressive and advanced in the laundry service in Johor Bahru. And the last one is our objective. Our objective for Forez Cafe-Laundry is provide the best service and the best machine to our customer. And lastly, our objective is make the customer spend their time at our cafe while waiting their clothes.
Okay, we are going into the organization chart. First, we are going into general manager, which is Muhammad Aidi Akmal, and second is for vice general manager is Ahmad Iskandar. For our marketing executive, we are choose Rizqullah Syauqi. Operation executive is Mio Alif Haikal, and last but not least, financial executive is Afiz Zakwan bin Mak Osman. Next, we are looking into SWOT, which is strengths, weakness, opportunity and traits. First of all, we are going to look into strengths. We have 3 strengths. First, our cafe facility that have been provided to our customer to attract them. Second is, the indoor laundry had been made to make our customer comfort while they are washing their clothes. And our third strength is the usage of the QRP application when they want to make the payment, either debit or credit card. The weakness that we have looked is the Forez Cafe did not work like the other cafe, which is for 24 hours but from 9 a.m. until 10 p.m. And the second weakness is the small size of Forez Laundry premise will be crowded when there are too many customers at the same time.
Okay, now I will present you our second part of SWOT, which is opportunity and threats. Okay, our company opportunity, which is the branch expansion to all corners of the country. The second, the company. Our company, we do the best quality of machine that can be multiplied. The third one is the application that can be upgraded from time to time for the convenience of the customer. Okay, our last SWOT, which is threats, the high cost of maintenance for the washing machines, dryers, and also for the cafe maintenance. Other than that, the risk of thief and vandalism will be at our cafe laundry. Right, we move to the next slide, which is marketing plan. There are 4 types of main ideas, which is the first one is service. In our company, we provide the best quality of the soap and also offers a wide selection of soap. We are also provide the latest and branded washing machines and also dryers. We are offer to our customer the best menu and services in our cafe. Okay, we move to next, which is location. Where the location of our premise is strategic areas as well as easy to find business location. Next, urban areas are used as place for laundry service and cafe. The locations offer delivery service to nearby areas.
Now we go to the next part of marketing plan, which is price. We offer to our customer reasonable prices according to the duration of the clothes washing and drying. Besides that, we also offer installment payment as well as QR Pay, TNG wallet and others for our cafe facility. Lastly, the last part of marketing plan is promotion. We use social media to promote our business, which is based advertising. Secondly, we also do a promotion during the festive month, beginning of the year and also the end of the year. Lastly, to make sure our business is very interesting, we also provide giveaways to our lucky customers through social media that can be redeemed on our application. Thank you for watching and listening our presentation. I hope you guys will have a nice day and also always stay safe during COVID-19. Last word, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.